Hi everyone, welcome to Continental Desi Kitchen. Today we're going to see a protein-rich sprouts tikki or cutlet, which is a healthy and delicious evening snack that you can binge on without having to worry about the calories. Also, they are diabetic friendly and a natural protein source for the vegetarians. So friends, give your snack time a healthy makeover with this protein-rich and flavorful sprouted tikkis or cutlets. And now let's begin with the recipe. And here in this bowl I have taken 1.5 cup of sprouted green moongs and black chana. And now I will transfer them into a chutney jar. And along with this I will add 1 small onion roughly chopped, 3 garlic pods and 1 inch of ginger, few mint leaves. Then goes some coriander leaves as well as their soft stems, 1 green chilli or as per your spice level. We'll now add some water and grind this into a coarse paste. Let's check this now. So our sprout coarse paste is ready, and now I will transfer this into a mixing bowl. Next goes 2 tablespoons of roasted besan or ground flour, and I am not going to add all of it now itself. Then here I've taken some crumbled paneer or cottage cheese to add some more nutrition and protein to our sprouted tikkis. For seasoning goes some salt as per taste. Then goes 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper and 1/4 teaspoon of roasted cumin or zeera powder. And now we'll mix this well so that all the ingredients are well combined. I'll add now the remaining roasted ground flour or besan so that the mixture binds well. And our sprout mixture is almost ready. And finally I will add a teaspoon of vegetable oil. We'll mix this one last time. Alright. And as you can see, I have greased my hands with some oil so that the mixture don't stick. And now we shall start making round tikkis of medium size. And in the same way, I'll make some more tikkis and place them in a greased plate. So our tikkis are ready, and now we shall shallow fry them in a pan by adding just a teaspoon of oil. And when the pan is hot enough, we will place the tikkis one by one. And since we are making healthy tikkis, I don't want to fry them in a pan with too much of oil. And trust me, even when you shallow fry them, they will be crisp and tasty. But on low flame, we need to fry them by gently pressing them in between. And after about 2 minutes, I have flipped the tikkis and will fry them for another 2 to 3 minutes till they are cooked well and done from both the sides. And by now our tikkis are fried deep golden brown from both the sides. So we'll take them off and arrange them in a serving plate. And here goes our healthy, delicious, protein-rich sprouts tikki or sprouts cutlet on the serving plate. You can enjoy them hot with your favorite chutney. So I hope you will try this high-protein sprouts tikki recipe. Also share your feedbacks and subscribe to my channel for more interesting and healthy recipes in future. See you soon in my next video. Until then, bye-bye, take care and stay safe.